Hello once again guys. This is your video for instructions for the Flipgrid. You can't see me in this video because in a minute you'll come to know, because when I switch on the Flipgrid it automatically switch on the video. So this is your front page as it is, and then you go to your content. Where will you see this video? When you go to your content and you look under introductions, you're going to see instructions for Flipgrid. And then you have your Flipgrid. So what are you going to do is, this is your introduction Flipgrid. So I can click on it directly, or I can go through the readme first, which also has the link over here. This gives you the details for it, what prompts you want to talk about, and then it also gives you the rubric. Remember, your Flipgrid video is due Thursday, August 29th. Your own is due by Thursday, August 29th. And the replies are due by September 1st. So you're going to have one initial post, which is your post, and then two replies, at least two replies. And you can read this. Your own post is 10 points, your replies are 10 points, and the quality is 5 points. So the total points is 25. You can make the video anytime you want, but Flipgrid gives me a timestamp. So if yours is not posted by the due date, you will get 0 points. There is no late work accepted or requested for discussions. Even if your initial post is due on Friday, it is still late. So it needs to be on Thursday by 11:30 p.m. And then your replies need to be by Sunday 11:30 p.m. Anything after Sunday would be a 0 again. So here are your prompts. So let's go back and look at, so I generally always use the link. That's the easiest way to use it. So when you click on this link, you're going to go to the Flipgrid. You can go to the Flipgrid, and here you're going to see I've already made a video, but what you'll do simply is click on the plus sign. It's going to ask you to log in through Google or Microsoft. I always do through Google. And here is my Google account. And you'll allow the microphone. So this is why I didn't have the video before. So how are you going to do? This is your record button. And so I'm going to press this record button. Hi, I am recording a video on instructions for accessing the Flipgrid. So I recorded that, and if I go forward, this video is going to play, okay? Hi, I am recording a video on instructions for accessing the Flipgrid. So then if I accept it, I can go forward. I can take a selfie here. I can put any of the emojis that I want to put. I can move these emojis around. Let's see. So I took a selfie, and if you want to add, you can add anything. I may want to add a crown to myself. So this is my crown. And then when I go forward, it's going to ask me my name. I'll type my name. You can type if you have a title, if you have a link, or if you want to type something else. And then you are going to submit your video. And once you submit, you should be able to see the video over there. So I want to, and I'll show it to you. Let me just show you. So see, you can see the video there. I am going to delete this video just so that I don't want that video to be there. So here is how you're going to do the replies. So when you click on this, do you see this button? You click on this reply button and you record a reply. So this is not a written response. Your introductions is a video, and your replies are also videos. So you will just record it once again, whichever way you want to record. And you say something, remember, relate to something. with the student, with your peer, something you want to add on, talk to them. This is very open-ended because this is just introductions. And then you finish it, and then you are going to do the same steps to post it. Something, remember, relate. And so here I'm going to just cross it out because I don't want to post it. And that's all it is there to do. I should need to do confirm. Hi everyone, welcome. And so this is what all Flipgrid doing it. It is very simple, easy. If you want to open it in a browser, you are welcome to open it in a browser. You have a minute and a half to introduce yourself and a minute and a half for replies. You don't have to take the whole time, but I can do it, and it opens up in a browser. So it doesn't fit into my window that you're seeing, but here is, I'm going to move my window. Here is the introduction, and this is how it looks. So whenever anybody posts, they're going to keep coming over here. And here is your plus button. So you're only going to see one video because I am going to delete one of those videos. Any question, you have the course question discussion board. Please don't hesitate to post on it. The reason I do the course question discussion board is peers are more than welcome to reply to the questions of their own peers. So reply to each other's question, make it interactive. Sometimes I am teaching a class and you want a very quick reply. Your peers will be able to answer you quicker. It also helps me not answer the same question over and over again. And so it has been very effective in the past, and I'm hoping it's going to be as effective as that. So we're going to have a lot. Please feel free to ask questions. Anything related to the assignments needs to be on the course question discussion board. If you have something personal or like grades or anything that you want to keep confidential, you're more than welcome to email me. This is all it is. I look forward to seeing you and listening about you guys. Welcome to the class.